Hello, Denton ISD family. I'm Dr. Susannah O'Bara, Superintendent of Schools. I hope you and your families enjoyed a wonderful spring break and welcome back as we head into the final stretch of the school year. This is an exciting and important time, and our students, staff, and schools are focused on finishing this year strong. Last night's board meeting reflected that same dedication and focus, from celebrating remarkable student and staff achievements to thoughtful planning discussions that shape the future of our district. Thank you for joining me for this month's board meeting recap and for staying connected to the important work happening in our district. We opened the meeting with the pledges of allegiance led by students from W.S. Ryan Elementary. These students stepped up to lead with enthusiasm, giving us a glimpse of the bright future that lies ahead for Denton ISD. The board had the honor of recognizing two outstanding examples of excellence from across our district. First, we celebrated the Ryan High School girls basketball team for winning the UIL state championship going back-to-back. This extraordinary achievement is a testament to the talent, discipline, and teamwork of these remarkable young women and to the outstanding coaching staff who guided them to the top. To our Lady Raiders, you have made your school and this entire community so proud. Congratulations to our state champions and the entire Ryan High School community. We also want to congratulate head coach Monisha Allen, who was named the NFHS Section 6 Girls Basketball Coach of the Year. Coach Allen, this recognition is well earned, and we are fortunate to have you in Denton ISD. Thank you for the difference you make in the lives of our students. We also recognize Allison Juarez, a member of the Ryan High School Varsity Mariachi, who was named a UIL State Mariachi Outstanding Performer, an elite individual honor awarded by adjudicators at the UIL State Mariachi Festival. This is a historic moment for Denton ISD. Allison is our district's first ever UIL Mariachi State Medalist, earned during Ryan's third advancement to the UIL State Mariachi Contest. Allison, your talent and dedication have made history, and we congratulate you on this extraordinary honor. During last night's workshop sessions, the board engaged in discussions focused on long-term planning and ensuring our district continues to meet the needs of every student and community we serve. The board discussed the 2026-27 budget, reviewing student data, including enrollment trends and average daily attendance, which are critical factors in how school funding is determined in Texas. This data, alongside projected revenues and anticipated expenditures, helps inform the priorities that will guide our spending decisions in the coming school year. Our commitment remains clear: to allocate resources in a way that is fiscally responsible while continuing to invest in student achievement, our teachers and staff, and the programs that make our schools exceptional. We will continue to share additional budget information at our upcoming board meetings. The board also received the district's semi-annual energy audit update, covering utility consumption and cost across all district facilities from July through December 2025. To put the scope of this work in perspective, our operations team actively manages over 10,000 pieces of HVAC equipment and approximately 6,000 individual points of irrigation control across our campuses, all monitored through our building management and control systems. This report examined electricity, natural gas, water, waste management, and irrigation usage across our campuses, identifying trends and opportunities to manage costs more effectively. One highlight was the performance of our solar installations at Union Park, Sandbrook Ranch, and Schultz Elementary, which have generated over $250,000 in combined cost avoidance for the district. This work reflects our ongoing commitment to responsible stewardship of district resources and ensuring every dollar is invested where it matters most, in our students and schools. Finally, the board discussed attendance boundary modifications stemming from the repurpose of the Paloma Creek Elementary campus. This decision is part of a strategic effort to align our facilities, programs, and resources with the evolving needs of our community and position our district for the future. The boundary maps approved by the board reflect the input from those school communities, and we are grateful to those families for engaging in the process and helping us make the best decisions for our students and schools. If you'd like to review presentations or materials from last night's board meeting, they are available on the Board of Trustees webpage on the district website. Our next regular board meeting will take place on Tuesday, April 14th, and we look forward to sharing another recap with you then. Thank you for being an important part of the Denton ISD community and for your continued support of our students and schools. We'll continue sharing these updates so you always know what's happening and how we're moving forward together in Denton ISD.